Let's take a quick look at the RIVA Wet Sounds 160 watt audio upgrade kit for Sea-Doo watercraft. This kit includes the powerful BRP 160 watt Platinum DSP amplifier. It pumps out a solid 80 watts per channel. It is a direct replacement for your original 100 watt BRP amp that puts out only 50 watts per channel. The amp mounts in the stock location inside your speaker housing, and no modifications are required for the power supply. It's plug and play with your original harness. The 160 watt amp mates perfectly with the 6.5 inch high output Wet Sound Zero speakers that are included with the kit. Together they provide amazing audio quality, much better bass, much better mid-range, and a huge boost in volume. This kit fits all Sea-Doo watercraft with integrated audio systems, and it maintains seamless integration with your factory audio controls. It delivers an amazing upgrade in audio performance while maintaining factory reliability. Available now through RIVA Racing and our dealer network.